In today's video, I'm going to be replacing my left front ABS wheel speed sensor. Last night it went bad, so pretty much picked up this part not too long ago. It's made in Germany, so I could trust it. And let's get right into that. Sensor is right in the front over here. I'll show you guys real quick. It's pretty easy. So I don't know if the camera could pick it up here. Alright, so you see it's pretty dirty, but this car's a 2010, so might as well just replace it anyways. Let's see if I can pop this off. There it is. Alright, so since it's disconnected here, I'll show you guys the faults. Turn this off. So you do get the traction light, the parking brake, and the ABS light once that's disconnected. So pretty much in reverse order, just hand tighten, not too tight. So usually when the ABS wheel speed sensor goes bad, you get the traction light, the parking light, and the ABS. So the parking brake malfunction, your ABS, and also the traction light. So let's go see if it's fixed. Perfect. Normal codes, everything's all good, and this car is good to be back on the road again. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys found this video pretty useful, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. It just helps with the YouTube algorithm, and also subscribe to this channel for a lot more content. And just took this car for a test drive. Everything seems to be okay, and just want to show you guys the original part because working underground there's not enough lighting, so let me show you guys really quickly. So this is the old part over here. I'm not sure if it was just because it was dirty or it's because it's not working properly. Either or, might as well just replace it and not have to worry about it breaking down ever again in the future. Well, from what I know of. So thank you guys once again, and I'll see you guys on the next one.